Bayan Savan Santan team, which is presented here by Dr. Patel and his team, the chairman of the committee, the county assembly, my members of the county assembly present, members of the county executive present, the Kisii and teaching referral hospital team led by the CEO, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I'm delighted to join you today to take part in the measurement and distribution camp for Narijan limbs. I wish to welcome all our guests from Narij, presented here by Dr. Patel and his team, to Kisii County, and convey our gratitude for your extraordinary work and for choosing Kisii County as a beneficiary of your impactful program. By selecting Kisii County, 83 amputees, whose measurements were taken on September last year, will be fitted with a prosthetic limbs of different types, below knee, above knee, and upper limbs, worth Kenya shillings 9 million. Each of these artificial limbs will profoundly transform the lives of these people, offering them renewed mobility, independence, and opportunity to actively engage in daily activity and regain a sense of normalcy. Once again, on behalf of the people of Kisii County and all the families represented here, I wish to convey our sincere gratitude to Narij.
Continue to help all these less fortunate people, and we need one thing, please, Excellency, let's all of us, we try to teach them how to control their diabetes and these accidents, so we can get a healthy community for our future of our country, our county, and everybody. We need to teach everybody to control their diabetes and all this sickness to get the healthy and wealthy country and county, please. Thank you. Continue to help all these less fortunate people, and we need one thing, please, Excellency, let's all of us, we try to teach them how to control their diabetes and these accidents, so we can get a healthy community for our future of our country, our county, and everybody. We need to teach everybody to control their diabetes and all this sickness to get the healthy and wealthy country and county, please. Thank you.
Just living with amputation due to accidents, diabetics, and cancer-related issues. And Dr. Matiko has just pointed out that a number of our people here is either cancer, diabetics, or accidents. And most of the accidents are border accidents. Doctor, I want to let you know that all these circles around, we're going to have a sitting. Indeed, we'd have had a sitting with them long time, but because of many disturbances around, as hindered as moving forward. Otherwise, like the Kisii border team, today it would have significantly moved and been trained on the usage properly of the road, so that we can reduce the accidents. In KTRH, 4 patients are amputated every month, totalizing to 46 patients per year. You can imagine every month there's somebody who's being amputated here. Therefore, that's a big number. As a region, referral center, over 8 million people drawn from 8 counties in the Lake Region Economic Bloc look up to KTRH for their help.
They have benefited from this organization, and they have got the limbs. They'll be able to walk, which is pleasant. And as our community, we'll definitely think to continue this process. Every 3 months, the people will be taking the measurement, and after 3 months, they'll be given the limbs. So today the exercise is going on. We are going to measure almost 150 people, and after 3 months, again myself, I'll be a single donor for another time.
A portion of the patient attended at the facility suffer from non-communicable diseases like diabetes and cancer, and are prone to risk of amputation. Installation of a modern orthopedic technology prosthetic workshop at KTRH will be a game changer to the region. I urge our brothers, the region team, to consider this as a potential area of collaboration with my administration. The CEO of KTRH is hereby directed to explore this partnership with you and give me a report.